Hello, welcome to SNEC. I'm Eric from Austa. So currently, I will introduce the system for you. Here is our low voltage series. Includes low voltage inverters and low voltage batteries. So for this inverter, it's 3 to 6 kilowatt. And for this inverter, it's 3 to 6 kilowatt too. But they got different advantages. For this inverter, we got 2 times input and 2 times output. For this inverter, it's 3 to 6 kilowatt. Still can connect more PV panels right here. It can plug and play. So if you connect the inverter successfully, and you can use it immediately. This one is 5 kilowatt hours battery, and for this one it's 10 kilowatt hours battery. Another one bigger, but got a bigger capacity. It's 16 kilowatt hours. For this inverter, we have out fan design. In the high temperature area, this inverter can decrease the temperature more faster. So for this one, it's more bigger inverter system. It can connect 12 to 16 kilowatt PV panels. And another one, 8 to 24 kilowatts. Purple phase, it can connect 3 strings input battery. And for this one, it's our stackable battery. Per stackable battery is 5 kilowatt hours. For this part, it's our off-grid system from 1.6 to 11 kilowatts. So you have multiple options to select. For this battery, it's our self-developed, and it's have cost-effective, and it's more easily to lift, as you can see. For the second one, it's our 3 to 6 kilowatt inverters and got the same battery. Another one is 6.2 kilowatt off-grid system with 10 kilowatt hours battery. And the last one, it's the biggest off-grid system inverter. It's 11 kilowatt with 16 kilowatt hours battery. So for those battery is IP21. If you get interest for our products, welcome to contact us. Thank you for that.